Hello and welcome to Oracle video tutorials. In this video, we'll learn how to import data from Excel file. In the HR connection, on the tables node, right-click and click import data. A new window will be opened. Now choose from choose an Excel file. You can see the data is displayed. Click Next. In the imported method, select Insert and provide a table name. If the table name does not exist, this will be created in the schema in which we are importing this file. Click Next and providing columns. After providing columns, click Next, and you can see this is a very well-defined Excel file, and you can see each column is very well organized. Click Next and click Finish. And here we can see a message pops up: task successful and import committed. And you can see in the tables list, we can see the table we have just imported. By double-clicking on the newly imported table, we can see and observe its data. Here it is. Thank you.